Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're suffering from shoulder pain while lifting your arm overhead, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to demonstrate 3 exercises which are going to help in reduce your pain and also improve mobility. They are beginner friendly and you can do them at home. So let's dive in. The first exercise is table slide and we're going to do it with the help of the towel. So keep your affected arm. I'm demonstrating on my right side on the towel. Now you're going to move your arm forward. Now when you're performing this exercise, make sure the movement is coming from the body and not just from the joint. So it's going to look like, so place your arm on the towel. Now lean your body forward and slide your arm straight. Hold for at least 2 to 3 seconds and then come back. Go for 10 to 15 reps. Breathe naturally when you're performing the exercise. If you feel, doing it continuously for 10 or 15 reps is too much, then you can take break in between, relax, and then start again. And relax. The second exercise is shoulder flexion with the help of the doll. If you don't have this one, then you can use the stick or the golf stick, anything works, or a broomstick, that will also work. So what you're going to do, you're going to stand straight and you're going to hold the doll from the affected as well as your non-affected arm. Now when you're going to lift your arm up, you're going to use 50% pressure or strength from your unaffected arm and 50% from your affected side. So the movement is going to look like this. Go till the pain-free range of motion. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds and bring it back. Go for at least 10 to 15 reps. Like I've mentioned before, if 10 and 15 reps are too much, then you can, just start with 8 reps, take rest in between, and then continue with rest of the reps. But make sure you're focusing on your posture and you're just using your arm and not bending your body towards one side. Don't compensate the movement. Breathe naturally and relax. The last exercise is wall slide. So you're going to stand near the wall and your body is going to face towards it. Now we're going to slide up, like crawl upwards. Go till end range of motion. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds and then slide back. Go for 8 to 10 reps and see how you're feeling. If it's very uncomfortable, you can take rest in between and then continue again. So the movement is going to look like, stand near the wall and slightly closer to the wall. Now crawl up. Hold for 1 second and then slide back. And relax. Do these exercises at least 2 to 3 times a day to see good improvement. And if you feel your pain is not getting better with the help of the exercises, then it's better to see a doctor in person so that they can assess you. And if you have any questions for me, do drop down the comment below and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.